1 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 12, and then 17 through 19. For as the body is one and has many members, but all the members of that one body, being many, are one body, so also is Christ. If the whole body were an eye, where would be the hearing? If the whole were hearing, where would be the smelling? But now God has set the members of each one of them in the body just as he pleased. And if they were all one member, where would the body be? Guys, we mustn't forget that there are many different gifts that God has given us. But, a lot of us like to compare ourselves to others. We can't be comparing ourselves to how others do things. The whole body is made up of several different members. The whole body of Christ is made up of many different members. But they're not all going to have the same function. Because if we all had the same function, where would the body be? The point of adding all the eye, the hearing, the smelling, was to tell us, to remind us that there would be no body. If we were all one, there would be no body. If we were all the same member. So we all have our different parts of the body, different functions, different things we do. Let's look here at 1 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 4. There are diversities of gifts, but the same Spirit. There are differences of ministries, but the same Lord. And there are diversities of activities, but it is the same God who works in all. Guys, we're going to have a lot of different things about us, We're not all the same person. God has made us in his unique image. We're all unique. And we're going to have different things we do maybe. But it's the same God who works through them all. Same God who is in them all. So do not go comparing yourself. Or do not say, this is bad because I do this, but they don't do that. Because it's the same God that does them all. For God isn't divide himself, as Jesus was saying. Let's go over here in Romans chapter 12. Having then gifts differing according to the grace that is given to us, whether prophecy, let us prophesy according to the proportion of faith, or ministry, let us wait on our ministering, or he that teacheth on teaching, or he that exhorteth on exhortation, he that giveth, let him do it with simplicity, that he ruleth with diligence, that so with ministry.